In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unblock contacts in Google Chat on Gmail. Whether you're managing your professional communications or just trying to stay in touch with loved ones, knowing how to unblock contacts can come in handy. So, let's dive in and sort it out step by step. First things first, we'll need to open Gmail. You can do this by heading over to mail.google.com on your web browser if you're using a computer. If you're on a mobile device, just open up the Gmail app. Once you're in your inbox, let's draw our attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a gear icon there, which is your gateway to all the settings you'll need. Give it a click. Now, from the drop-down menu that appears, select See All Settings. This will take you to a comprehensive settings page where you can fine-tune how your Gmail account operates. It's always good to be familiar with this area, as it contains all sorts of useful options. Next, you'll want to navigate to the Chat and Meet tab, which is nestled among the other tabs across the top of the settings page. This tab is specifically dedicated to handling all things related to your Google Chat and Meet settings, and it's your go-to place for adjusting how these features are configured. Now, look for the Manage Chat Settings link under the Chat Preferences. Clicking this will open up another window, which may sound a bit roundabout, but trust me, we're on the right track. In this new window, you'll see a panel on the left-hand side. Here, we want to select Access Restrictions. It's nestled among the other options, so take a moment to locate it. Access Restrictions is where you'll manage who can and cannot connect with you on Google Chat. Once you've clicked on Access Restrictions, scroll down until you find the section labeled Unblock Users. This section is where you'll be able to handle your list of contacts you've previously blocked. Click on Manage Block Users. This brings up your list of blocked contacts. It's kind of a who's who of those you've decided to pause communication with for one reason or another. Now, to unblock someone, all you need to do is find their name in the list and click the small X next to it. That action will remove them from the block list and allow communication to resume as normal. And that's it. You're all set. With just a few clicks, you can manage your blocked contacts easily, ensuring that you're always in control of who can send you messages on Google Chat. Whether for work or personal connections, these steps will surely come in handy. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful for you.